welcome to Gruvgear. We are riding the BTS train and next stop is Normal. Alright, so that is track number 10 on the new album called Ari Rang. A nice song, Normal. I believe this is more one of the kind of classic BTS songs, in my opinion, how I know the group. So yeah, if you love BTS, then this channel is a stop. We have a couple of songs from their new album. So yeah, I just have to take the moment to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear 6 Strings Ago. So if you would like to learn a song from the very beginning till the very end, you should connect on that channel as well. I have a full playthrough of songs and I give you the full chords as well, so you can just play along and learn a song from A to Z. Alright, now let's go back to this song here. We have Normal and we have a capo on fourth. Absolute best scenario for us with that, 4 simple chords. So let's check them out. We're gonna start with F first, okay? So that's a bar chord. You have your index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings like this. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Next chord will be C. Alright, so you go third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. G is the third chord. We play third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And the final chord will be A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so this song is very straightforward. We have this same chord progression. The chords we just learned in the same order, rolling through the entire song. Okay, so if we grab the first chord F, and we're going to learn the strumming pattern, it goes like this. Okay, so play first one down, a short pause, and then comes down up, down up. And that's it. You're gonna play one of those per chord. So F, C, G, A minor, down, down up, down up, down, down up, down up, G, A minor, again. Just gonna continue like that till the next stop, and that is another track from BTS. We'll see what that will be all about. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.